Old stains on upholstery usually need a different, more deliberate approach than fresh ones because they are often set and chemically altered. Start by identifying the fabric type using the manufacturer tag or a hidden test patch to determine whether it tolerates water, solvent, or requires dry cleaning methods. For water-safe fabrics, mix a gentle detergent solution at 1 teaspoon of dish soap per 2 cups of warm water and test on an inconspicuous area for color fastness. For solvent-safe fabrics, use a product labeled for upholstery solvents and follow manufacturer directions. Pre-treat old stains by applying the chosen cleaner directly to the stain and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the chemistry to penetrate and loosen bonds. Avoid overwetting, which can cause rings and backing damage. Gently agitate the area with a soft brush or clean microfiber cloth, working from the outside toward the center to prevent spreading. Then extract the residue with a wet-dry vacuum or blot with white towels until mostly removed. If the stain remains, repeat the process rather than using stronger chemicals immediately, because cumulative gentle treatments are less likely to damage fibers and dyes. For stubborn set stains, consider enzymatic cleaners for organic soils or a color-safe oxidizing pretreatment. And when in doubt, consult a professional who can match solvent strength and mechanical action to the fabric. 3 common mistakes are using excessive heat, which can set stains and shrink fibers, using colored towels or crude bleach substitutes that cause dye loss, and scrubbing aggressively, which distorts pile and weakens threads. The remedies are to air dry or use low heat only. Always use white lint-free cloths and avoid bleach unless fabric care allows it. And use gentle blotting and soft brushes with controlled pressure instead. Another frequent issue is overwetting, leading to water rings and backing saturation. Control moisture by applying cleaners sparingly and extracting thoroughly with a wet-dry vacuum or absorbent towels. People also often skip a test patch and then discover dye bleeding. Solve this by testing first and choosing a solvent or professional cleaning when the test shows risk. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guidance tailored to stain and upholstery work, so we help match needs with available services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find leads and collaboration opportunities.